How to disable YouTube Shorts permanently in a Windows PC or laptop. So the first thing you have to do is open the Chrome browser and search Web Store. And open this first website. Now in the search box, type Unhook. And click on this first option. You can see the rating as well. Now click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And in a couple of seconds, this extension will be installed in your Chrome browser. Now open YouTube. And you can see that this extension has blocked all the videos on my homepage. So now you need to click on this extension option, then click on Unhook. And now you can customize your YouTube according to your preferences. So if I turn on Hide Shorts, the Shorts section will be removed from YouTube. And if I search YouTube Shorts in the search box, you can see that there are no shorts in the search feed. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.